My son knows who you are.
Oh yeah?
You Pittsburgh picker?
Yeah, that's me.
I've seen your video.
Oh, thank you. Well, now I have to buy something, don't I? Never took a left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheel.
Oh my god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
I mean, it might be Bailey. Might not be Bailey.
Barbie stuff.
You got some slime makers in your family, right?
Some ex-slime makers.
It's on grill tools.
I'm glad that's
Sad to grow out of those kind of things.
Those are cool.
Teenagers.
It's dirty, but
yeah.
Real dirty.
it can be cleaned.
We love Star Trek mugs.
Coffee mug collector?
No, reseller.
Oh.
People like Star Trek.
Oh, sorry. I see. Just coffee mug.
Yeah.
My wife likes the Starbucks ones, and she's
Oh yeah, those are.
out with new ones.
Oh yeah, those are good sellers actually for us.
All the Disney ones she's been collecting.
Oh really?
Yeah. So her family goes to parks. That's what they're buying for.
Yeah.
Well, I had one of those when I was a kid.
Yeah, me too. It's the remake there. Hi.
Hi.
How much for the 2 Star Trek mug?
That would be her.
Down
How
here?
about right here? Right here. How about $1 for everything?
You got it.
Let me get you change.
Thank you. Uh-oh, there's a keyboard. You know how you love the keyboards.
I do. I like the boxes.
Thank you so much.
I've walked in the circle. If anything comes on me.
Person, do you have $5? I owe you 5. Then.
Probably 5 and 1.
I'd love the one actually.
Oh, I only have 4 ones and I'll give you 4.
Quarter's fine.
Okay, sick.
Here's a quarter. Thank you.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good, and yourself?
Good, thanks.
My son knows who you are.
Oh yeah?
You Pittsburgh picker?
Yeah, that's me.
I've seen your video.
Oh, thank you. Well, now I have to buy something, don't I?
I hear he always buys more than one thing.
Oh, this is a funny group. Well, I'm gonna buy the Donruss cards from you, so
The cool. The
sealed ones.
packs.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I gotta get money from the boss though.
Okay. Whose Roku's are these?
That's right, I'm in charge of this.
Yeah. What's the difference
how much
between
is
these?
$10.
So,
They're all
let's
sealed.
see. The one that's 10, that's a newer model. It supports like kind of the more streaming stuff.
Yeah.
Some of the
Yeah, but 10.
apps aren't supported on that one. So
May.
425.
We are getting
Oh, okay.
killed
Do you have
with
a- do you have
What
a-
I know about
do you have
that
a-
Yeah,
$5 one is it no
I
longer
think I only
supports
have
Xfinity
bigger
Stream.
bills actually, unfortunately.
Like if you're on Comcast.
Okay.
I'm not on Comcast,
Okay,
so.
so
Well,
I might be able to run in the house.
no, hang on to it for a second. Let's see if maybe we can find something else. How about that?
it
But
does
I just don't want anybody to buy it.
Okay.
a lot of the
What's the $2 one?
Want me to hold on to that for you then?
Sure, that'd be great.
That way your hands free to
Thank
continue
you.
shopping.
What are you getting?
We might as well get both those label makers
Okay.
because they're $1 each and they're
You see the
fun.
Coach thing back there?
That's a scarf, yeah.
What's in the box? Yeah, there's a lot of it in here.
Alright, thank you.
Oh, it's a McCall. He's calling it.
See this?
Yeah. All right, we're done.
Okay, we're gonna take these two.
Okay, so let's see. We got 10,
It's over here.
Yeah, I think
10, 11. What's the sticker on this? What's this?
the VHS recorder each.
Okay, so 11.25. What's this?
50 cents.
11.75. 12.75.
All right.
You can keep the quarter. Make it easy on you.
Actually, you have quarters.
Oh, you have
it's
quarters.
the ones that are now in short supply. So I owe you 7.25. Am I doing my in the head math correctly?
Yeah, I think you got it.
4, 5, 6, 7. And I got the quarter.
You give it to him.
Thank you,
There
sir.
we go. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Take care. Have a
See ya.
great one.
Thanks. Yeah, well, from here down. I try to get everybody's faces out of it as much as I can. 68 or something. Was very old.
How y'all doing today?
Hi.
Hi, Pepe. Somebody hungry yet? Go in. So cute. Baby.
Purpose here. I haven't seen that on anybody's list.
4 players, 8.
Nice. I know so many people.
Yeah, Three Rivers.
That's grandma.
Benji the Bear Barrett.
Uh-oh.
Ruthie Rhino. Rhino head with an out body.
Who is that? Put you on Denver. There's something over there.
Parker, get out of everyone's way. Come here, buddy.
Oh, he's definitely not in our way. Ours you trip over going into the kitchen.
Well, I figure he's going to get stepped on at some point. That's
Oh, yeah.
You probably smell our dog. And cats.
How much are the records?
50 cents each.
Sounds like a deal.
Or you can buy the whole thing.
I don't know if my back can handle that. Huh? Hello? You are a good greeter.
MIckie was laying on you this morning. You're so precious.
I can't do it.
Is it the same version?
Sure is.
Okay.
What?
I really didn't think this one would be worth anything. Oh, yeah. Okay. Cool.
I have to come before that's taken.
Yeah, he likes his potato, huh?
Yeah.
One of the books.
I know, I brought
Want to buy tea?
Oh, this is cool.
I buy boxes.
Mhm.
Huh?
Let's get this too.
Mm-hmm. It's pretty cool.
Take a sticker on a pouch set.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right,
You good?
we're good.
Okay. So that's
So he brought it over. I don't get enough
5,
for his friend. Hey, how much? He buys the stuff for his kids. So
6,
come and take our stuff.
7,
And
8,
we cleaned out that whole thing. I took pictures.
9. Let's just make it an even 10, and we're good to go.
Ask about it. It's way to tell them to come over.
Sure do.
Okay, I'm going to stay home this afternoon.
Thank you, sir.
Get you some change.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, excuse me.
Day. Oh,
Thanks, you
that's another
too.
cool record cover. Man,
Oh yeah.
that is so cool.
Credence. Yeah.
CC 75, 100. They're going for anywhere from 250 to 400.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah.
We just aren't in the mood to deal with any eBay, and you know, but we have a lot of things here like that. Like you go on eBay and you're like, wow, they're asking $35 for these little candelabra things, for the old Christmas stuff.
Yeah. What about the Nintendo?
Whatever. And here's our thing. We have no time for pricing, so we're just taking whatever you're willing to give us. Okay.
And I'll make you a really good deal on it all. I'll even haul it for you.
Well, that's nice of you.
I was younger.
On eBay.
You gotta look at the solds though.
I know, but isn't that funny? How do you do that?
You go to filter and then turn sold on.
Oh, okay.
Because people ask crazy prices for everything.
Yeah, we're not trying to. We're just playing that way, basically. I don't know how to get to the filter. That is too funny.
Oh my god, I didn't even know. It was like, oh, and then I turned it around and
I mean, but
I was
wouldn't
like,
that be the funniest gag gift, like for a 50th or something? I mean,
this is the risque department over here. See?
Okay.
This is an adult party game.
I was gonna look at that. I saw.
I was like, yeah.
Collect them up.
Right there, that's the point.
Collect them up.
Yeah.
Okay.
I should go to my pile over there.
One of those banks.
Look at these. Look at these.
Oh, those are cool.
Yeah.
There's another US Air bank.
That one's really faded though.
I forgot
Oh,
that. So
it's a different color.
Oh. Okay.
Those are worth.
I don't want to spend $75 on them though. That thing definitely no, because it's
How are you?
so moldy.
Good.
They're worth like. The Silver Streaks might be worth more because they're Silver Streak. The engine. Look at the
Sorry,
engine.
looks like you guys are working hard here.
The labels on the side.
It's so gross though.
I don't think people care. As long as the model's in good shape.
I really don't want to deal with them.
Okay.
Okay. I'll take
Okay.
a quick look around.
Why are we getting that?
Huh? No, it's very moldy.
Where?
The dress.
No, the trick dog.
Oh. I don't. I mean, the handle thing is like broken.
Oh, it is.
Like this.
That's supposed to be loose. Oh, no.
It's not.
nothing wrong with your shoes, and it's why you sell them, but think about it.
Like that?
The Nikes, there's nothing, they're not dirty inside. When you wear on the ground, you're going to get that. So hopefully they'll sell.
Yeah, they're way too small for my feet.
Oh, yeah. There's actually
Would-
stuff inside.
Would you take 25 for all the train pieces?
No. It's good pleasure. No.
Okay.
Laura, we're not supposed to buy the trains for 25. I said no.
They're worth about $5 a piece. So.
What about 30? Give me 30.
Yeah, I'll do 30.
All right.
I have a bag. I'll come and grab them.
I have a suitcase you can
What
put
are you
them
talking
in.
about?
I don't want that.
No, just this.